Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to be journaling in my Hobonichi cousin Avec for April 14th and 15th. So get out your journals or your planners or whatever you enjoy and let's just find some peace in this craziness. I snuck upstairs and I'm stealing a few moments while my husband and kids build some sort of city thing on Minecraft. So let's see if I get interrupted. We'll see. I was journaling here for Tuesday the 14th, and I started by sticking in one of those list stickers and then a hong and ding that said cheer up. And it was like a little bunny with a writing in a notebook. I swear those stickers are the cutest. And then I used one of that little chick hanging up laundry is a pig and cat sticker, even though it's a chick, I know. It's, they're called like Bonjour Couchon. Oh boy, it's been a long time since I've tried to say that, and it's still as bad as it was then. They're from Amazon, and I link them below usually. I think I call them pig and cat stickers. And then the other crazy cat stickers that I usually use are also from Amazon. Then they'll be linked too. But I just made like a little list of things that I did. And then some of those floral stickers, the vintage floral stickers, were from an American Crafts Maggie Holmes sticker book. And that is old. So I just put them in there to kind of remind me that I set up my beautiful little Passport Traveler's notebook, and I just oh, it's so cute, you guys. I love it. And you guys are just so wonderful and enjoyed that video, which I am so grateful for. Thank you very much. And then I wrote cross stitch with my Mildliners because Addie got this little cross-stitch backpack charm kit from the Easter Bunny, and so she's been cross-stitching these little backpack charms, and it's so cute, and she's loving it, which is really funny. She is so much like my mom, like just very crafty, like knitting and cross-stitch and stuff. And then I wrote treadmill, and there's that little running koala, and I put that because it's been chilly out, and so the kids really haven't gotten outside that much. So yesterday we were like, each of you needs to go and you need to walk on the treadmill for 20 or 30 minutes. We don't care if you watch your tablet, just get some steps in. Get moving. So they each went down there and walked for a little while and watched their tablets. So I know we're terrible, but at least they moved a little bit. And then I was just journaling about the day. You know, I did laundry, I vacuumed, worked on my little passport, we did school stuff, and then I actually ended up running to my P.O. box in the afternoon, which I didn't think I was going to be able to fit into the day, but I actually did, so that was nice. And then, let's see, I'm using my vintage Sarasa pens to do my journaling. I kind of was switching colors whenever I was talking about something, you know, a different subject. So, I don't know, it made it colorful. I really like that. If you haven't noticed, I like my pages to be full and crazy and colorful. I know it's hard to tell. And then I'm just wrapping my washi around the edge of those pages because that's what I've been doing during this self-quarantine, social distancing time. I've been wrapping washi around the edges of those pages so that, like, from the outside you can kind of see that section is sort of marked off as, home quarantine time. Just something, I don't know. And then I like to add sometimes little borders with my Mildliners. Like I said, it's just more color, really. And I like the way that it looks. And then at the bottom, I added some strips of just fun washi. Those little circle numbers I thought were appropriate because I don't even remember what day it is or how many days it's been since we've been outside. I don't know. Feels like 1,000. And let's see, I think that's all that's on this page, and I'm just adding hearts. And then I did some little boxes and then little crossed X's through in the boxes, and it looks like cross stitch. I thought that was super cute. I was sort of proud of that. I know, it's the little things. And then I'm just adding hearts. And the hearts I just put on because like I said, I love it to be busy, and I just like putting hearts on everything. I think it makes it better. So for today, the 15th, is Wednesday. In case you needed to be told what day it was, like I did, it is the 15th, which is a Wednesday. And I am just drawing. I'm using my How to Draw Almost Every Day book, which I got on Amazon, these doodling books, a couple years ago, and I also link those below if you're interested in like a little doodling book. I love this one. It's my favorite. And I was using that little cat reading the newspaper. I was doodling that up at the above at the top of the paper because Michael we had a few too many like freakouts this morning. He needed to take a break as Professor Daddy and just like relax for a little while, so I took over, which is scary in itself. And he's been doing a fantastic job. Him and Addie were just butting heads this morning. So after one too many dramatic blow-ups, I just sent him downstairs to run on the treadmill, and I'm like, I'll just do this today. So I was just that was supposed to be him. It's like a daddy cat reading the newspaper, going and then I'm doodling. Oh, I put in a little, that little orange sticker is from a sticker kit from Dollar Tree, like a long time ago. And then the cat with the head on fire and then the like dramatic girl, those are both from another cat stickers pack from Amazon. And I can't remember what it's called, but it's, I think it's like Positoon or something like that. But there will be linked below at any rate. It's fun to get those on Amazon. Well, it was back when life was normal, because you get them really quickly. And now, if you ordered them, you won't get them until May. So, never mind. But I guess it's easier than ordering like stickers from Japan or Malaysia, right? So, I was doodling this little girl holding up a pencil, and she's supposed to look excited, and instead she kind of looks a little demented, but I still think she's cute. And then I was using a lot of those stickers from the pig and cat ones. There's like just weird stickers in and around them, like household things and stuff. And so I was kind of putting some like classroomy looking stickers. And then I put a surprised cat and then a yawning cat, because the kids were kind of surprised that I was sort of taking over this morning. And it was a little disappointing how little faith they had in me. They're like, "Really, Mom? Can you do this? Maybe you should get Dad." Like, you guys, I went to college. And then I was helping them with math, and they sort of had to teach me what was going on before I could help them, quote unquote. I wasn't helping at all. But I'm a good cheerleader. So at any rate, Michael did have to step in for some of the math. And then I put in that donkey with the clipboard saying, "I don't get it." That's supposed to be me. Those pieces of collage are from one of Henry's Boy Scouting magazines. Has that little donkey as one of, he reappears in this like cartoon, and he's my favorite. So I always cut out that donkey, and I just that was so funny. It was totally me. If you ever picture me like that, a donkey saying, "I don't get it." And then the fish at the bottom, I just was rifling through my collage bin, and I saw it, and it just reminded me of Just Keep Swimming. So I glued that in there and put Just Keep Swimming. And then the little winter girl, was left over from when I decorated my pocket TN with winter Christmas sort of theme, and I pulled her out of my collage bin and put that down because it was snowing today. I mean, not just like a few snowflakes. It was full-on flurries in the sky, snowing, and you could hear me quietly sobbing in the bathroom. This weather has got to stop. I can't do it. I can't do it if we can't get outside. But she's cute, right? And then I put that little Let It Snow sticker. It's heavy on the sarcasm. So that little box with the scissors and the tape was from a Real Simple, just a little piece of collage, and I put that in there because I had went to my P.O. box yesterday and got a bunch of packages I'm so excited to open, and today we got all caught up on getting the map all pinned and getting all the notes in my notebook from you guys, so I'm all caught up for to open what I just picked up. So I'm so excited. You guys are just so generous. Quit being so nice. I'm not nice enough to deserve all of this. Trust me. So I'm really excited to open that. And then let's see. We chatted with my mother-in-law while the kids ate lunch and it was snowing, and she said, be on the lookout because I think somebody sent you a package. So they ended up sending the kids some new books, which was super, super sweet, and they were so excited about that. And the little kids reading there at the, that was a piece of like ephemera collage that somebody sent me in Happy Mail, and it was just perfect. So I tipped that in, and then it has a quote on the back that says, I used to waste time worrying about what others thought. Now I think about what a waste of time it is to worry. How apropos. I love that. So that needed to stay in there. And then I stuck in that sticker that said that I was going to try and bundle up and go for a walk this evening. No, that has not happened. I decided to do this instead. And then I was putting in some heart stickers, and I tried to do a Mildliner heart up by that alarm clock, and it got away from me, so I had to put that giant heart sticker over it. I'm not sure it looks any less awkward, but I don't know. And then I tipped in a little note that my mother-in-law included with their little books because I thought it was super cute. Stay well and wash your hands. Love, Grandma and Grandpa. I thought that was adorable. So I put that in there, and then that flip side of that little note was so blank, I wanted to put a sticker on it. So this one was perfect, and it was also sent to me from one of you guys. These are actually removable, like vinyl stickers. So, but I mean, where am I going to remove it to? I just stick it in here. Insert coffee to begin. It's definitely was that kind of day. So that is basically that page of journaling. I did like how at the bottom of the little tip in, I put the little flags, and I put 10 a.m. Henry had a Zoom meeting, and 2:30 Addie had a Zoom brownie meeting. So I wanted to make sure I included that for memory keeping sake. And then these are the last couple of days that you didn't see. You didn't miss much, you know, same thing. We've been here at home. And that's about it. I hope you guys are hanging in, staying safe, staying healthy, and keeping your chin up because these are rough times. So I will see you again soon. Bye.